Let's get to the point. If gigimik ka sa Timog or Tomas Morato party areas of Quezon City, for example, para manood sa Vice Comedy Bar, para hindi ka na mapagod umuwi ng madaling araw, you can stay overnight sa isang staycation condo near sa area. The price is estimated around 1,500 pesos per night, but can change depende sa day, kung weekend or holiday. Please message him directly for all your questions. Maximum of 4 people, you can cook rice and food inside, and dahil condo ito, please respect the rules. May Netflix na rin and Wi-Fi. Kayakap na lang ang kulang. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I don't own the business and wala akong commission dito. Pero kakilala ko ang nagmamanage ng staycation kasi ilang beses ko na binook ito whenever my family from New York or the US visits the Philippines. So I can really say legit siya and mabait. Malapit din ito sa popular bars and restaurants like The Beach and Tablo. Malapit din sa 7-Eleven, Uncle John's, SM Grocery, and Mercury Drug. Malapit din sa isang ospital. The host handles 3 condos for staycations, so hindi tayo sure anong available sa tatlo when you book. Pero I've seen all 3 units, decent naman for an overnight stay. Pero I was able to video 1 unit for you para may idea kayo. May swimming pool sa building niya, pero may extra fee ang building per guest and you need to give him advance notice kasi need yon ng permit approval. May reservation fee siya para iwas sa mga bogus. So please, don't waste his time pag hindi kayo sure. Madalas siya mapuno kasi maayos siyang kausap and maraming loyal clients. Message him na lang to reserve. Click follow for the next story.